How do I create a designer location template based on an existing preset? Create a new location. Go to Live Mode. Add online devices that you want to reuse configurations from. In this video example, we added an online P300 with preset slot 1 that was already populated, with old preset from Web UI. Go to Presets at the top right and load the preset onto the device. Click Create Template to save a virtual copy of this P300 in its config, which is currently loaded with preset Old Preset from Web UI. We called this template Reusable P300 Config based on Old Preset. Now within that template, click Create Location from Template button to create copies of that virtual P300 that can then be pushed to multiple P300s. This operation can be completed for one location at a time.